The price of Bitcoin is trading at $103,000 now. Do not believe those social media bloggers. Do not believe those content creators. Do not believe those people that would keep telling you the price of Bitcoin is going to hit over $500,000 or before the end of the year, Bitcoin is going to hit $300,000. These are fake news. It won't happen. Believe me. But there's a secret. People that are making money from Bitcoin are the multi-millionaires. And then let me tell you, the average people that are investing in Bitcoin, which is the people that are investing below $1,000, are the ones that are suffering it. Until you understand the systematic process of Bitcoin, you will not make good amount of money from Bitcoin. They'll keep on giving you hope with the social media and bloggers that Bitcoin is going to hit 500,000. Now, with your little $50, $100, $200, or below $1,000, you are buying a particular coin. You are hoping that this coin is going to hit higher. It's going to hit 500%, 1,000%. I mean, since last year, as of last 2 years, the price of Bitcoin dropped at $67,000, which simply means Bitcoin has not even hit totally 100%. Yes, Bitcoin have not hit 100% in the past 2 years. Now, imagine that someone's giving you hope. You have you have $500, $1,000, and you're keeping it in Bitcoin, hoping that Bitcoin will give you $100,000. Gone are the days when Bitcoin was trading at 4 cents, $1, $10, $100, that people made a lot of money from Bitcoin. Now, in this era of Bitcoin, you need to understand the systematic process. People that are making money from Bitcoin, there are some group of people that controls Bitcoin. Believe it. That is how they make their money. And not just one group. There are different kinds of groups. They have different groups. They come together, they pull in their money together as one. So some of them might generate or might contribute up to, or let me use the word invest, up to like $2 billion. We have group that have about 1 billion. We have group that have 10 billion. We have group that have $50 billion. They will just put in Bitcoin when Bitcoin is low, trading at very low price. Now imagine Bitcoin with such amount of money coming in Bitcoin, and they are the news makers. Most of them are the news makers. They know the news that they will release that will affect the price of Bitcoin positively. They know the news that they will release that will affect the price of Bitcoin negatively. Now, by the time these people and the news makers now gather this money and they put it in Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is trading at very low price, like assume Bitcoin was trading at $87,000 last time. Now today Bitcoin is trading at $103,000. Let's assume they must have earned about 25% of their investment in Bitcoin. Imagine different groups making $25 billion out of $100 billion. Different group are actually invested in Bitcoin. They are making money. Now, this is how it works. They will just pull out. Imagine huge amount of money pull out of Bitcoin. Now, they also know the news to release that will affect the price of Bitcoin more, that will push the price of Bitcoin to drop. They, if Bitcoin do not drop, they want the price of Bitcoin to drop. They want it to drop so that they can buy Bitcoin again. And then they will come out again pushing money into BTC, and people like, wow, a lot of capital, a lot of people are putting money in Bitcoin, and they know the news to push out there to push the price of Bitcoin to go higher. And when as it's going higher, they are making profit. And if they're lucky, Bitcoin hits about $110,000, more than what it was supposed to hit, they're okay. Until they have like it's just like when you are trading and support and resistance. They know the level of Bitcoin price that they want. Okay, let's push it to this price, and let's if Bitcoin drop to this price, we are going to push it. Let's invest here and then withdraw here. And then, but though systematically, Bitcoin will keep on increasing gradually, 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 but they keep on pushing it up, down, making profits as Bitcoin is growing gradually. But the social media and bloggers will tell you that in the next 8 months, Bitcoin is hitting $300,000, 400. Now, the average people out there will not buy the Bitcoin, leaving their coin, believing that their $1,000, their $500 is going to hit $10,000 before the end of the year. So the money, these are millions of investors. Their money will always be higher from those that are investing billions. Because when you have when you have over 100 million people with about $100, $200, $300, that money will run into billions of dollars. Okay, billions of dollars. So they know. They know they need that average people that are actually investing 100, 200. No, they need them because their money will really help Bitcoin to keep on growing, to have that balance. And some of these people, when they are losing, it's you that is losing money. It's the money the multiple people are losing that they are making. So you need to be wise with Bitcoin, investing in Bitcoin. Please understand Bitcoin. Follow some of these groups. Follow them. Follow their news. They have groups. Follow news. Know what is going on. Know when to hold on. Don't be greedy. That you bought Bitcoin at $87,000 or $85,000. Bitcoin is trading at $103,000. Let's assume Bitcoin hit 107. You are still waiting. And then, fine, you can wait. But from 107, Bitcoin keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. 1.7 to 1.4, 1.5, 1.1. That should tell you you need to convert your money from Bitcoin to USD and wait. Patience. Patience. The patient don't eat the latest one. You wait. Just wait. You need to wait to know what's going on. If Bitcoin keep on dropping, that means you would have lost. By the time it drop, like wow, Bitcoin have really dropped. Definitely this coin will still go higher. If you buy Bitcoin at that rate and it goes back to 100,000, you are still making profit. That is just the system. I'm just here to tell you the system of Bitcoin. If you really want to make money with cryptocurrency, believe me, you are going to make good amount of money for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. Do not always wait for Bitcoin to drop, and then the profit you must have earned before you start losing them back again. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Like I said, sometimes I do publish a lot of things, but financial news and financial advice tips is what I focus on mostly. Thank you. One love.